Hey Fam, welcome back to my channel. Today you're gonna join me as I clean out my closet. Stay tuned.
That I can be the one, if that is what I want. Your days are long, you've had fun.
So when ECQ started, I was thinking that, oh my god, this is a time for me to get productive. I will finally go through our wedding photos. I can finally fix whatever I want to put in our wedding album. I can finally fix everything that I want to get printed out. I can finally organize my closets, organize the entire house. Maybe I can learn something new on Skillshare. Maybe I can do something like this or that. I had so many plans. But then I wasn't as productive as I expected. I still have quite a few on my to-do list, and one of them is to finally clean out my closet. I've already started cleaning them out. I've already cleaned out half of my closet, like most of these tops over there, and most of my dresses are already done. I've already sold them on Shop It's Camille. I've done my shoes, done my bags, but there's still like half of this closet that I haven't gone through. And I figured that why not make a vlog out of it so that I hit two birds with one stone. I get to make a vlog and actually tick off that clean out your closet thing on my to-do list so that I wouldn't flake anymore. So here we are. I am going to take you guys with me, and hopefully I can also share some tips with you guys as to how I clean out my closet so that we can live a more Marie Kondo approved life. I know she will not approve of the closet because this clearly is not minimalist. It's too full. But that's why we're cleaning it out. I've always dreaded cleaning out the pants area because it goes really deep, like really deep. I feel like when you're cleaning out your closet, it's so much better to start with the worst part, the part that you're dreading the most, because then as you progress, you'll get lazier. So then at least if it's the easier part, you'll still get motivated because you'll think that, okay, I already finished the hard part anyway, so why not just finish everything? So we're gonna start with this one. Okay, we're gonna go through them one by one. Let's bring everything out. I feel like I haven't worn this for so long. Kasha pa ba to? Still okay. I know sometimes that it feels like such a task, like a big task to just remove everything and then put them all again back on the rack. But it really helps so that you can really see all the ones that you are not using anymore. If you just keep eyeballing this stuff, then you can't really be thorough. I mean, gagawin mo na lang rin, diba? So, might as well. This one still fits so well. See, it's great to try them out. Kind of refreshes your memory also that, hey, I still have these pants and hey, they look good. I think it's still okay though, so this one. These I did not try on. Do we want to keep it? Looks good, but I don't wear them. See, that's one more thing. If you don't wear them, you always reach out for something else because I've got other red trousers and I always find myself reaching out for the ukay red trousers that I got instead of these Topshop ones because those are more comfortable because it's a little bit tight here. So parang it looks so weird. So we're gonna sell them even though they still look kind of decent. So again, if you always reach out for something else because you have another choice for that item and that one always wins, might as well just sell this already or get rid of it or donate it. First casualty. Bye-bye! Do I still like them? Another tip is to imagine yourself wearing this somewhere. I can imagine myself wearing it to the beach, but again, it's not gonna be my first choice. It's not the most flattering silhouette. So okay, we're selling this. So again, if you're like me, you're not so decisive, you might change your mind. Stop looking at it if you feel like, okay, we're selling this. Once you make that decision, sell right away, and then don't look back because you might change your mind. So our point is to clean out the closet. So once you've decided, go sell it. Oh no, my hips don't lie. Oh, it still looks so good, but it's so tight on my crotch. If it doesn't fit you well, if it hurts somewhere, if it doesn't make you feel comfortable somewhere, then sell. Nice, sleek pants. Looks good. I remember I had this altered. I was too confident. I thought it was gonna be thin forever. I love this. I remember this was too tight on me. Yay, still fit it. Yay! This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't close it. Oh no, my Stella McCartney's. Kasi ang lakas ng loob. I had this altered, I remember. Oh. How sad. These pants by Theory, I rarely wear. I love it. Such a nice fit still. we'll get rid of this. It's no longer my style. I think we'll get rid of this. I mean, it's beautiful still, but we'll get rid of this. I think I prefer like a sleeker waistline now. These are all good still. Okay, already have my hair up. I'm done with the other side, so now we're gonna do this side. Ooh. These are the mango pants that I won with for Mango It Girl. This was what I wore for that shoot. No longer fits my style. It really helps when you try on the stuff because there are a lot of things here where when I look at them, I remember, oh, this fit me so well. I really love this. And then when you try it on, it no longer fits you the same way. Don't just rely on memory. Try them on. I have a couple of wool pants. They're not really the trendiest or the most stylish, but just in case I go somewhere cold again, at least these wool pants will help. Are too short on me now, so no more. Oh God! I just feel like there's a certain length of culottes that I no longer want to wear. I want them to be either mid-shin. I don't want them to be right below my knee. Okay. Woo! We're done with the pants! Okay, now off to the crop tops. I feel like there are a lot of crop tops here we'll be disposed of because I feel like I really am turning into a tita, so let's see. Okay, I'm back in my OG outfit. I don't want to wear this though. It's all beautifully folded. I used to think that I wanted to make my crop tops fixed by color as well, but it's just too hard. So now, it is not. Crop tops are so tricky to fold. We want to keep this though, this polka dot. I don't think I'll be wearing this anymore. Yeah, I don't think so. We'll get rid of this. I used to wear that a lot when I was a youngster. Next, this one. It's cute because it's got a matching pair of shorts. But if I'm not gonna keep that anymore, then I might as well just get rid of it. It's cute knit top. It's loose. I don't know how I'm supposed to wear that without my boobs coming out. I know there's not a lot there, but there will be something that will count. I love wearing like crop shirts after I work out. This, I think I didn't buy this. I might have stolen it from Chris. So, What a Girl Wants top. Or maybe I got it from one of our meet and greets there at What a Girl Wants. This Pocahontas stuff I don't think I'll be wearing anymore. Yeah. Gone are my music festival attending days. As we grow older, our likes change. And I think that's why our interests change. Things that we used to do, we no longer do. Our lifestyle changes, which is why along with the lifestyle change, our tastes, our style also changes. So it's really nice to do like a closet clean out at least twice a year. At least. There's so much that can change in a year. Our weight included. Some stains on it. Get rid of that. I used to think that I would still wear it despite the stains, but I haven't been wearing them. Next up are these Bodycon skirts. They used to be so in. I don't know why I still kept them. I have so much of these BCBG Max Azria skirts, and I feel like I've outgrown them. It's time to move on, get rid of them. Maybe not this one. This one could still be something. I mean, wala na. Hindi na siya kasama sa Madam branding. This I still really like. It's a Theranos with something. It's got a turtleneck top. It's leopard skirt, maybe not anymore. These I remember super duper hard to get into, so we're getting rid of it. These I like because they're long, expensive skirts. I've always been long and lanky, but I've always had a butt. My mom always makes sure that I don't forget that it came from her. So thank you, Mom, for the butt. This BCBG skirt I still like for color blocking. This one as well because it's a classic color. This is a new skirt I got from Dorothy Schumacher last New York Fashion Week. Very festive. we're done with that side completely, thank God. And then now we're gonna do this side. It's just crop tops in black and white, and then all my shirts. So this is the easy part for me because I don't have to try anything on. Gosh, this is so not me anymore. I used to be so addicted to those Topshop tops. This I still like. How about this? Maybe no. This still okay for our sexy Tita night outs. What? This one is from my mom. It's like an eyelet top. I got shook when she told me she had these, but I love them. It's from Italy. It's the only way you guys get an in-depth review of my crop tops. That was a lot. We removed a lot, fam. This I like because it has a really nice fit, so I love it for after workout. It's from Style Panda. Yes, one of my first ever crop tops from Mango. It's a cute top from a local brand. It's a Sunday market. This one is from Topshop. We're done. See? Easy part. Oh, I haven't worn this. Super cute. This you guys saw me wear during my shoe closet vlog. Actually, that shoe closet vlog was also the day that I cleaned out my closet. So all these vlogs have been helping me clean and organize my stuff. This is from my mom. Not really sure when I'll be wearing it, but I don't want to throw it because it's a gift from my mom. So we will find a way to wear it. I'm in love with all of these. This I love because it's got pads. Okay, how about this? It's not me anymore. I have these tank tops. Do you like it? Maybe not. Won't really wear them. We'll remove them before they become too yellow and you can't sell them anymore. But I do give away and donate some of them. My sunny side up shirt. Oh, I never really wanted to get rid of this ever. Such a comfy shirt, and I feel like it looks so old already, but I really love it. This one I just got from Revolve, but I'm already getting rid of it because it doesn't fit me well. So, Girl Power. Stupid. I don't think I'll be wearing it anymore. This one I really like. Dog walking shirt. Should we still keep it? Or maybe I'll just DIY this and cut it. Chic work clothes, really still cute, but I won't wear them anymore. Again, that's our theme. If you're not gonna wear them anymore, just be brave and try to find it a new home. Hopefully, someone will find it beautiful. Also, a good time to check out your whites. Whites tend to have all these like yellow stuff when they get stored too long. Check them. Maybe you have to put them in the laundry. Get them all cleaned up again. Ooh, my aloe top. See? This is still perfectly cute, but again, I don't wear it. So the general rule I think that they say is that if you don't wear it within 3 months, you have to get rid of them. It's not always the case with me, to be honest. Before, when I was younger, every time it's like a branded or more expensive clothing, even though I don't wear them anymore, I still try to keep them because I value them so much. But then sometimes you're just trying to push it. It's not really your style anymore. But sometimes there are certain styles that I want to keep because in my head, I feel like it's not my style now, but maybe in the future, or it's something that's worth keeping. I mean, it looks like a classic design, something that I can hopefully give my future daughter. Like for example, these Lacoste shirts, I don't really wear them anymore. There was a time where I was so into that preppy look. These are such classics that I feel like my future daughter will benefit from them. Fingers crossed that I get a daughter first. This I like. Or we really like. Are we still gonna wear something like this? Isn't this 2 baguettes enough for us? Maybe 2 baguettes. These I used to wear a lot to the beach. I don't think we like it anymore. I don't really wear camisoles so much, but because this is a knit, it has a different effect. This one is given to me by Lioness. I don't think we like it anymore. I look at it some more, I might take it back. Or we will just commit. We gotta commit. Gotta commit, guys. Don't be afraid of commitment. Ooh, a sexy one. Why do I have this? Where's this from? Oh, Marks and Spencer. Maybe this came from my mom. It's like a corset thing. Maybe we'll need it in the future. Didn't think I'd be getting rid of so much stuff still, but I am, which is good. Okay, here we go, we're almost done. Last 3 shelves. My back is already killing me because I've got scoliosis, and usually when I clean out my closet, I'm always on my feet, I'm always standing, so it does hurt my back so much, but it's worth it. Also, I usually get allergies because even though we clean my closet a lot, we always vacuum and everything, it's just there's something about fabric that makes me so allergic. I mean, you can't help it. Dust still sticks to it, so, but again, we must commit. This one I used to love. I don't know why. Looks like a vintage glittery sequin top, but now I can't imagine myself wearing it. This one too. I feel like lousy tops I don't really see myself wearing anymore. Love this. Vintage Fendi shirt. I got it from the Real secondhand store for luxury brands based in LA. This is from the Edit. I'm gonna get rid of that. Fabric is a little bit thin. I end up not wearing it because I feel like all my bones are seen and my bra is seen and everything else. High necks and turtleneck tops are always so classy. They make you look so regal, sophisticated. I remember this having some stains. Can you see the color? It's neon. Some stains on them, but it's okay. Sometimes I still keep clothes even though they've got some stains on them, like from washing, because I could still wear them under, let's say, blazer. This one is see-through, yes. It's nice to wear underneath like a low-cut slip dress. This one I really liked from Love Bonito, but the shoulders are too small on me. So again, it's all about the fit. If the fit doesn't feel right, then just sell or get rid of them or donate. Whatever floats your boat. This one, you can already see the Untitled Chapter. Ta-da! This one someone really wanted from me. So here you go. It's gonna be on shop. It's Camille Ka. Hope you're watching this vlog. Cute. Wonder. This one also is too small on me. It keeps riding up. It's not even a crop top, but it becomes a crop top, which I hate. I mean, I like crop tops. I mean, they should have been a crop top to begin with. Oh my god, last shelf! This is the best feeling ever when you're almost done. Yes! So happy. Most of my stuff that doesn't have a good fit were either I have outgrown them or I bought them during my foolish days, meaning my younger days, where I didn't really care so much about the fit and I didn't know how to discern properly if the item would fit me well. I usually don't fit my clothes, that's why I don't like going to fitting rooms. I feel like it takes up so much of my time. So ayan tuloy. Oh my god, last pile! Do you like this? Wait, still imagine myself wearing that. Look at that pile of clothes. My god, this is amazing. Look at how much I was able to clean out of my closet. So that is it. I actually finished just when I thought that it was gonna take me 10 years to finish my entire closet. I finally did it. You know, I always feel so lazy to start cleaning out my closet, and then when I do start it, I want to give up halfway through, and then by the end, like, I want to just get it over with, so I become lazy and I just do everything rushing, and then I end up not cleaning out as much as I'm supposed to. But then if I just commit and really put my mind into really cleaning out my closet, and then I'm able to complete the entire closet, I feel like a whole new person. And I'm not kidding. It really makes me feel so clean outside and inside. And I feel so achieved. I don't know why. Is it just the OC in me? But it feels so good. You guys should try it. If you have stuff there that hasn't been moving for like a year or like 3 years, 5 years, it's time to give it away. It's time to get rid of them. You can give them away or sell them. Some other person for sure will find your item beautiful and they would use it more than you're using it. So why not just give it to that other person or sell it to that other person? And you'll also be able to contribute to the sustainability movement. So that is it. If you guys have any more suggestions for like what I should vlog about, please make sure to leave me a comment below. I hope that you guys liked this vlog. Please give me a thumbs up as well. I'm gonna see you guys next week.